This video will give you a quick rundown of how to use the article to video function. So first you'll want to go and search up the article that you want to summarize, and then you'll want to paste the URL into this box. Then click proceed, and Pictory will begin to process the article and extract key messages from it as well. Once this is done, you will see the entire article appearing on the left, and it will have highlighted all of the key sentences from the article, which appear on the right side. So on the right side, you are essentially seeing the entire summary from your article, which will eventually be translated into videos. And so you can go through and edit which information you want to keep and which information you don't. For example, I don't want to keep the all block, so I'm going to click on it to delete it. And as you can see, it has now disappeared from the right side. And let's say instead I want to add in this sentence right here. So choices are great, but the task is to find the one that matches. I want to add this in, so I'm going to click on it. And as you can see, it has now appeared on the right side right here. So I know it will be in my final video. Continuing on, let's say I don't want this in my video. I do want this one, but I don't want this sentence. I'm kind of just narrowing down what from the article I want to have in my final video. Now that I'm happy with how my summary looks, I'm going to click next in the top corner. This will prompt me to select an aspect ratio for my video, and I'm going to select the landscape one. And then it'll go ahead and generate the storyboard for my video. Now, as you can see, each of the sentences that I selected in the previous section now appear as their own scenes and subscenes as well. The keywords have been selected. So as you can see in each of them, there's a different word that is highlighted, which you can also edit. But from this point forward, you can edit lots of different things. So for example, if I did not want to use this specific video, I could head to visuals and I could select a different video that I prefer, which will now appear in my video. Just like I can also edit the audio. If I want to edit the background music or add a voiceover, I can edit the style of the video as well if I wanted to show up a little bit differently. And as I mentioned earlier, I can also easily add words to be keywords or remove words from being keywords as well. So from this point forward, you can just edit your video as you'd like. And when you're happy with how it looks, you can either save it, preview it, or generate it. When you generate your video, you can either generate a whole video with all of your highlights just back to back. You can also generate, or not highlights, but all of your clips back to back. You can also generate a spreadsheet of social video posts, or you can generate social video posts for Hootsuite, where it'll convert each of these different clips to be its own post. And then you can export it to Hootsuite, where you can post it on your social media accounts.